This is a tutorial on how I get information from the products on TikTok in the TikTok shop, how I get to copy and paste the description of the product into ChatGPT to develop a review video script for the product. So check this out. So right now, here's the video I saw it on. I clicked on the product and I'm going to scroll down to where it says description right here. Now, you cannot copy and paste from this screen. So what you have to do is you have to take a screenshot of the product. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my photos and there's my screenshots. And then there it is right there. What I can do here is I can actually copy and paste this. So let's copy and paste this. That's our description. All the way down here. So I'm going to copy that. Now the next thing I'm going to do is going to ChatGPT and I'm going to paste that. Okay, so there is everything from the description. Now I'm going to go underneath this and I'm going to give ChatGPT a prompt for that. Create for me a TikTok review video with the information in the description above. Give me a hook in the beginning and a call to action for the TikTok shop at the end. Okay, so now it is giving me everything that I need right here. But see how it's giving it in something that I really can't copy and paste too much, because it's telling me, it's giving me all this extra like call to action, emotional connection. So I'm going to give it another prompt. Give this to me again, but just in the text script so that I can copy and paste into my TikTok video. Now this should just give me the words. Let's try it again. Show product. Okay. Let's try another prompt. Just give me the verbiage. Sometimes you got to play around with it a little bit. Let's see. Just give me the verbiage for the script. Ah, here we go. This is what we want. This is what we want. So there's the hook, feeling lost, stressed. And then at the end, you've got the call to action, don't wait, grab yours today. So what do I do with this? So now I'm going to select this. I'm going to copy this. So let's copy this right there. So I'm going to copy. I'm going to go into my notes. I'm going to do a new note and I'm going to paste it there. Title, Bible jar. Okay, so now that I've got that, I'm going to go back in the ChatGPT and I'm going to click. I'm going to give it another prompt. Give me trending hashtags for TikTok for this description. So now it's going to give me the hashtags. I may have to prompt it again to make it copy and paste. Yeah, I'm going to have to do it again. Just give me the hashtags so I can copy and paste into my description. This should do the trick. Yep, there it is. Okay. So now select. I'm going to, come on. Select all, copy, go back into my notes, go down to the very bottom, and right there. So now, this I want to copy into CapCut. This is what I'm going to do now. So, copy. So let's go into CapCut. Let's see. new project, and where's a Bible verses jar? Do we even have one? Let's see. Is this one? Is this the one I'm looking for? So I got my Bible verse jar off the TikTok. Okay, that's a good one. That we can make this work. So I'm going to add it. Okay. Now I spoke in this video, and I don't want to have the video here that's speaking. So right here where it says mute clip, I'm going to mute the clip right there. So now my voice in this video will not be heard, but I want to add that verbiage that I got from ChatGPT. So I click on add audio, I click on text to audio, and I paste my text right there. So there it is. Okay, so now I'm going to click done, and I want to give it excuse me, I want to give this a voice. So I'm going to click on, let's click on Adam.
Feeling lost? Stress.
Okay, so we're going to use Adam. So I'm going to click on next, click on split automatically, and this is going to give all that verbiage a voice. Okay, now you can hear it as an example if you want to hit the play button.
Feeling lost, stressed, or just need a...
Right there. Okay, so I'm going to move this. I want to move the verbiage. I'm going to scroll it up to the top. Here's something else I want to do. I want to scroll all the way to the right of the video. And you can see that the verbiage stops right here, but the video continues. So what I'm going to do is, first of all, see where it says ending? I'm going to click on that, because that's the CapCut ending that shows the CapCut logo. I'm going to delete that. But now I have to make my video here and the same time as the wording. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to scroll this to the right, right about there. So now the words match up with the length of the video. Okay, so now I'm going to click on the word, and I want to change the style. So I'm going to click on style at the bottom. And I like this one here. I click on monoline. And this one on the bottom right corner, I like that.
Feeling lost? Stressed?
So now I'm going to click on the check mark to the right, because that's the one I want. Right there. And I'll give you a little example.
Or just need a little divine guidance.
Perfect.
This Bible verse jar...
Now I'm going to click on export. And it's going to export the video to my photos and videos so that I can save it. And I'm doing this all in real time. And what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into TikTok, and I'm going to upload that video, add a little bit of music to the background, and copy and paste my description into the description, add hashtags, and then upload. Okay, now it's uploaded. Now I hit done. Okay, now I get out of CapCut. I go into TikTok. Click on the plus. I'm going to add the video. There it is right there. Add it next.
Feeling lost? Stressed? Or just need a little divine
right
guidance?
There. I'm going to add a little bit of music. This is something Bible, so let's do church music. Let's see, what do we got here? Something that's at least a minute long.
We'll go on and pray.
There we go. Click on
Feeling lost, stressed, or just need a little divine guidance?
So
This Bible
volume.
verse jar is exactly what you need. Inside are 90 carefully selected Bible verses from Psalms, Proverbs, and the Gospel of John.
Hit next. Here, I see my time is running out, coming up on 10 minutes. So here, I put in my description, and I hit edit cover. I add the product to the video, just like this, and then I hit upload, and that's exactly how I do my videos for TikTok. So I hope this helps